Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available motions and gestures on Samsung Galaxy M23. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, navigate to the advanced features, and then there's motions and gestures. Inside, first option is lift to wake. When activated, you can pick up your phone to wake up the screen when the phone is locked. It works like this. Then another one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. When we lock our device, we can double tap to wake it up and double tap again to lock down the screen. Then there's keep screen on while viewing. When activated and your phone the front camera detects your face, your phone should never lock. Then there's alert when phone is picked up. When activated, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. Then there's turn over to mute. Mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. That means you can put your phone upside down, screen to the table, and it should mute all incoming calls. Then there's the finger sensor gestures, and you can open notification panel using a fingerprint scanner, which is located right here on the power button. You just need to slide down your finger and here's the notification panel opened. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.